welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Vandana Gowda. In the last session we have discussed on the articles, the grammar part, articles, and in that I have already taught you about the definite article the and the uses of definite article the. So here in today's session we are going to deal with the indefinite articles. They are a and an. So first we will see the definition of indefinite article. So the definition of indefinite article: an article which is used for the indefinite person or thing is called an indefinite article. So, in the previous session, we have seen that a definite article is used for the particular and definite person or thing. But here, this is opposite of the definite article. Here, an article which is used for the indefinite person or thing is called an indefinite article. So, this is the definition of indefinite articles. An article which is used for the indefinite person or thing is called an indefinite article. So, we will see the uses of indefinite article a and an. The uses of indefinite articles. So, number one, first we will go with A, article A. A is used with a word. Article A is used with a word which begins with a consonant. So we use this article A before the word or with a word which begins with a consonant. For example, so as we know guys, in English alphabet there are 26 letters, and in those 26 letters they are divided as vowels and consonants. So vowels A, E, I, O, U. These five are the vowels, and instead of apart from these five, the remaining letters are called as consonants. So A, the article A is used with a word which begins with a consonant. For example, a tree, a ball, a pen, a table, like that, etc. So, A is used before the word which begins with the consonant, any of the consonants. A tree, this is a consonant. A ball, this is a consonant. A pen, P is a consonant. A table, T is a consonant. So we use article A before the word which begins with the consonant. Any of the consonant. So this is a rule number or use number 1. Next, use number 2. Use number 2. before the word which begins with a vowel. So now, an is used before the word which begins with a vowel. So a is used before the word which begins with a consonant, and an article an is used with a word which begins with a vowel. Vowel, a, e, I, o, u. Any of these vowel, the word which begins with any of those vowels, we use article an. For example, an umbrella, an apple. Likewise, an umbrella, an apple, an ox, an ant, etc. So we use article an before the words which begins with a vowel. Any of the vowel, it may be u, o, a, or e, an elephant, So any of the 5 vowels. So the word which begins with a vowel, we use article an before that word. Next, use number 3. When a word begins with or starts with a vowel but sounds like a consonant, then article a should be used. So here the sound plays very important role, because here what it tells, when a word begins with a vowel, even the word begins with a vowel but sounds like a consonant, then article a should be used. So here we have to pay our attention, we have to concentrate on the sound, the pronunciation of that particular letter or particular word. So for example, a university, likewise a European, a uniform, a union. So here, a university. What's the pronunciation of the sound of this particular word? University. We are not pronouncing it as university or university, but we are pronouncing it as university, like this. U. We are pronouncing it as U, and this is a consonant sound. U. Ya. So we use article a when a word begins with a vowel but sounds like a consonant. So a university, a European, not European or European, but European. So that's the reason we use article a before the word which, even though which begins with a vowel but sounds like a consonant. A uniform, a union. So when a word begins with a vowel but sounds like a consonant, we use article a. Next, use number 4. word begins with a consonant, but sound like a vowel. When a word begins with a consonant but sound like a vowel, then article and should be used. So here, see, when a word begins with a consonant but sounds like a vowel, then article and should be used. So where we use article A with a word which begins with a consonant or consonant sound. But here an is used before the word which begins with a vowel or vowel sound. So even though the word begins with a consonant but sounds like a vowel, then article and should be used. So as I told you, the sound, the pronunciation plays an important role here. So we have to concentrate, or we have to pay our attention towards the sound of the word, towards the pronunciation of the word. For example, an hour. So here, how we pronounce it? An hour, not hour. So even though this H is a consonant, but how we pronounce it? How the sound comes? It an hour, not hour. So we use article an before the word which begins with a consonant but sounds like a vowel. Likewise, an honest, an hour, an honest. So here also we won't pronounce it as honest, but we pronounce it as honest. So we use article and before the word which begins with a consonant but sounds like a vowel. So we use article and before the word which begins with a vowel or vowel sound. And hour, and honest, likewise an honorable, likewise an MP, and MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, Member of Parliament. So how we pronounce it? Not M or P, but MP. So if you write in Kannada, it is like this. M. So M is a vowel sound. M. So we use article and before the vowel sound and before the word which begins with a vowel. Even though M is a consonant, but it sounds like a M. We pronounce it as MP. Okay? MLA. So next rule number 5. A or an is used in the sense of one. Rule number or use number 5. Article A or an is used with the sense of one. So we use article A or an with the sense of one. If anything is in a one number or in a one amount, we use the article A or an to refer that particular thing. For example, in the sense of one, there is a tree. There is one tree. So to refer one, we use article A or an according to the letter. If the word begins with a vowel, we use an. If the word begins with a consonant, we use A. So there is a tree. There is one tree. To refer one, we use article A or an. There is a tree. One tree. A tree. Next, he bought a car. He bought a car. One car. So he bought a car. Likewise, I ate an apple. So I ate an apple. Because A is the vowel, we use an here. So we use an before the word which begins with the vowel or vowel sound. So I ate an apple. Suppose if I have ate 2 apples, I don't write an, but I used to write I ate 2 apples. But here 1 apple is there, no? So we use I ate an apple. So we use article a and an in the sense of 1. So this is all about indefinite articles a and an. So here you have studied the definite article, the uses of definite article and the uses of indefinite articles. So here I will give you a passage and you guys have to fill those blanks with the suitable articles. The, a and an. So by using these three articles, you have to do that exercise. You have to fill those blanks. So I will write the example here on the board. So dear students, here I have written the example and what you guys have to do is you have to fill these blanks by using these 3 articles. So once dash old hermit saw dash cat catching dash little mouse full stop. He felt sorry for dash mouse full stop. He took dash apple and threw it at dash cat full stop. The cat dropped dash mouse in fear and flew away full stop. Then dash hermit picked up dash mouse and by his holy power changed it into dash young maiden. This is the passage and you guys have to fill these blanks by using the appropriate articles, the, a and an. So go through the rules, the uses, where we use article the, where we use article a or an, and then fill those blanks. So this is the exercise you guys have to do at home as a homework. You can take it as a homework. So I will repeat again the rules. How we use the, where we use the before the names of the rivers, mountains and particular things, and we use article the for the holy books, we use article the for the unique things, we use article for the superlatives, and we use article the for the superlatives. And also last rule I told you which applies in the paragraph. This is also paragraph. That rule applies here also. That rule is what? The is used before the word which already mentioned in the paragraph. Okay. So this is all about the then indefinite articles a and an. When we use a, we use article a before the word which begins with a consonant or consonant sounds. And an is used before the word which begins with a vowel or vowel sound. And also we use article a or an because in a sense of 1. So this is all about articles, definite article, the and indefinite articles a and an. So you guys have to do this exercise at home. Take it as a homework. So till then keep watching our videos and thank you.